doon mag-hi ka. Pwede ko marap kayo sa camera.
Ayun.
Yan. So, we're on our way. Dito na nagda-drive. Guys, video to. Baka sabihin nyo nasiraan na naman ako ng bait. Malapit na kami. Technically. Si Janelle nandito na sa likod. Dalawa doon magdating. It's a video. Ayun o, may number. Hi ka, Janelle. News namin. Internal Garden. Akala mo ano simbahan or ano yung park? Memorial Park, friend. Nung una ko nadaan, sabi ko, ano kaya yun? Memorial Park pala. Sunganining naman ako. Ang ganda dito. Isa akami. Ayan. Mga seryoso sa buhay. Never. Hey guys, so we're now at New Valley with my friends. Ang ganda. Wala lang, maglilibot-libot lang kami. Pit stop. Pit stop! Pit stop ba tawag dito? Stopover. This is Michelle. Ano ba? Stopover? Doon tayo. We're gonna go there. Parang nakikita niyo yung kamay ko. We're gonna go there. Ang cool, no? Dito dumadaan siya? Wow, talaga. It's a wow moment, guys. Nasaan na? Ano ba? Ano ba? Ito, oh. Environment. Imichigo! Oh my God! Kamusta naman? Nasa may ano tayo? Dito lang, kuya. Oh, dito lang. Bawal dyan. So, we're now at New Valley. Oy! Huwag kang makulit. Nababasa tayo, day. Ay, my God! Yun. Ay, dito maganda. Hindi yun mawawala, friend. Picturean na lang kami dito. Halika na. May background music yan? Ha? Yeah. Meron. Look at all the pineapples that I cannot buy right now. Ay, dami Koreano. Hey guys. Yeah, of course. You
you can watch it on my YouTube channel. Hi guys! So now, we're in the Picnic Grove. People's Park to, diba?
Yeah.
Tama ba? We're in People's Park. So, we're gonna go here. We're gonna eat here.
We're going to zipline!
Wow, yaman ko! Zipline. Sila lang mag-zipline, guys. Medyo kapos ako. Michigo, what do you think?
Zipline? Hello!
What do you think? Zipline? No.
I might as well.
Oh my God! We're on top of the world. Wow! We're now...
Ayan, dito ko mag-jump shot,
Untog ang abutin mo. So now, we are in Taal. Nasaan yung Taal Volcano?
Lolo, zipline tayo.
Andun daw.
Natakpan ito eh.
Yeah, it got covered. I think, ito yun oh. Ayun pala. Syunganiling. Tanan! Nga. Video siya, be. Video siya, hindi siya picture.
Nalaglag yung pusa.
Ang pusang maligalig. Baw. Ibigyan ko. Excited oh. Bilisan mo! And we're going into the wilderness. Joke.
Oh, dito kami zipline nila dito. Nagkakabits kami nila dito. Akyat pa na ako.
The Hanging Bridge, friend. Ayun yung kinakabahan ako eh. Nakangatog yung... Friend, nakangatog yung tuhod ko. May...
Picture mo kaming ano?
Ah! The height! Kung takot ka sa heights, sige, lakad ka dito. Sige, talon pa! Talon pa! Kahit alam ko, hindi... Uy, lalaki ng buka, guys! Malaki siya ng palaki! Charot! Etchosera! Hindi ako takot! Isipin ko na si Mario Mauer! We just finished People's Park. Saan na tayo, guys?
And we off to... Sa ano?
Mga silent language lang. Guys, pasensya na. Pero zero visibility. No Taal Lake to be seen. We're gonna eat!
Parang presidential day.
Nico! Hi guys! Okay, so now we are at, ano to? Green Art Restaurant. Sa, anong to? Sa highway, yun. Tsakain na kaming lunch. At, zero visibility na. Wala na kami makita ang Taal. Ano ba yun? Laguna de Bay ba to? Ang layo eh. Basta, body of water, wala na. Siyempre kailangan picture agad. Ang lakas na. Promise, ang sarap mag-shoot ng tutorial sa ganitong kaliwanag. Kasan sa mata. Diba? Saya. This is the devastation. Devastation talaga eh, no? Ang sarap-sarap ng buko. I eat this. Oh. So, we just finished eating. Ano kasunod pa? Video! Vlog! Vlog sa friend! Hindi alam mo naman nagsasalita sa kam. Oo nga, bigyan niyo ng piso. Dali, naambunan ako eh.
Hindi nakaharap yung mga ano.
Wait lang. And we ate at Green ATS, Bulaluhan and Restaurant. I'll vlog about this for sure. My tummy is full. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you so very much, eh. So what we're at here. Ayun yung pangalan, no? Green ATS, Bulaluhan and Restaurant. Okay, so we just finished eating lunch at Green Atch. Tama ba? I've been saying
kasama mo na
I've been saying Green ATS for the longest time. Yung para Green Atch siya.
Ganyan talaga sila palagi.
Kamusta naman sila? Ang mga busog na kumain. So, my tummy is so full. I'll be vlogging about what I ate there. What we ate there.
May maano po sila sa pag-assist, no? Magsasarili ka. Mag-work. Tsaka alaga sila.
Saan na tayo pupunta?
We're going home.
We're going home. Home na to? No, seriously, where are we going? Mamasyal tayo. Rough road.
Okay, mama.
Hi guys. Okay, so now we are just on our way to church. Anong name ng church? Calierega? I don't know. Calierega Church. It's this church right here. Up there. So, naglalakad kami. Grabe, nakatulog ako sa sasakyan. Ganyan-ganyan pa ako eh.
Nakatulog ka.
I did. I napped a little. Hello po. I have good crops.
Yeah.
Wow. Parang ang ganda-ganda naman dito. Ayun. So, we will be going to the church now.
Yeah. We're going to
Hey guys. Okay, so we're now inside the Calierega. So it's actually like a church. Yeah, it's this. This is the church, and it has a lot of stuff here. Like, it has other necessities. So I'm just gonna take pictures. This is Calierega. This is actually for the retreatants, which there's some that are on retreat. Parang sarap-sarap dito, no? It's super calm and nice. And of course, nandito yung mga hot friends ko. Yeah! Andito yung dalawa. Si Nico. Yeah! Picture tayo, picture. Hey guys, okay, so we just finished roaming around Calierega. Calierega mo? Calierega. So next stop, we don't know where. Saan? Heaven. And because of that, what we will do is run for your life, pray to the Lord.
pray to the Lord.
Ay, wala ka pa lisensya mag-drive, Janelle. So yeah, we're on our way out. We don't know where to go. Because, I don't know. I don't have anything to do. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut this vlog short for a while. Hey guys, so Magic mic. Wala natin magic mic.
Eh, pa nag-vlog ako eh.
Sige, naparap mo na ba yan?
Hindi.
Haha, you're in for a treat. So yeah, hi guys. We just are on our way back to Tagaytay. We went to Nasugbuan.
ko, yung Kalarwega, nasa Tagaytay din. Nasugbo na pala.
Meron din akong the New Year end.
New Year's End ba yun? New Year's Day?
Yeah.
I don't know.
And right now, we're having this. This is the master of all threat.
Wow, Master
We have
Threat.
Magic Mike here. And we have children.
Yeah.
Children. Show the children. There.
Children. Children.
And the other one.
The children. Children of the world.
Only
PG-13.
experts like us.
PG.
Jackass.
Wala na yung Jackass eh. Ridiculousness na eh.
Ridiculousness.
I watch that show a lot.
Ridiculousness.
Yan. Para naman makita naman nila yung kagandahan ninyo.
Kagandahan po.
Pinakamaganda po, ito si Joanne. Tapos isang pinakamagandaan dun sa harap, si Michiko. Ako, medyo fourth degree na yung kagandahan ko, which is personality-wise na lang. Sila, nasa balat ko eh. Sama ka sa sarili, no? Wow, ay next! Next. Baliktad naman siya eh. Baliktad siya ng alaman sa screen. It's so gay. Friend ko yun naman.
Nakakita lang.
May niknaks ka pa. Siyempre, kailangan ko na matamis.
Kukulit ni Janilla.
Yes, ah.
May masaya.
I need something sweet because I'm gonna die. What's happening?